Hello friends, how are you? I think you all are good. So this video is just for information. Basically, I want to inform all of you that I was getting multiple requests from the freshers or the persons who want to start their career in a CP basis. So this is the information that I want to tell all of them, because I'm going to start a full series of videos for beginners, the person who want to start their career, they don't have any kind of knowledge in SAP, or the persons who have a 2 or 3 year experience and they want to switch the job and they want to get a good offer letter from other company in SAP. So I will provide all the information related to SAP from scratch in these video series, and we'll cover all the things like what is SAP, how you can install SAP, what is the component level, what are the patches available, how you can do the patch upgrade in SAP, what is the use of SAP, general monitoring T codes, and what are the basic interview questions that interviewer will ask you, and kernel upgrade, or how you can install SAP. So we'll cover all the things, and we'll focus more on practical knowledge. We will provide you the theoretical knowledge as well, but more focus will be on practical knowledge only. So be available for the video series, and I want to just say, please subscribe the channel and please let them know who want to start their career in SAP and they don't have any kind of knowledge, or they are searching a good material where they can find or increase their knowledge. Okay, so probably from Sunday I will start the videos. I will create a new playlist. The playlist name should be SAP for Beginners, and you'll get all the information. So in the playlist you can see all the videos chapter wise. So I will focus more on practical, as I told you, and I will try to upload 2 lectures every week. So probably in 1 month we'll cover most of the things, and I will make sure that you all can get a good job in SAP, or you can get a good offer from other company if you are trying to switch your company in SAP profile. Okay, that's all in this video. As I told you, it's information video. Thank you all of you for watching the video. Please do subscribe, and